Hey everyone, I'm gonna do a drive. Thank you for watching. Thank you. That's good weather today. Very good weather today. Yeah, cannot complain. Get sunshine. How many degrees is this? Wait, let me see. 14 degrees. You get 14 degrees. Very good. Good weather. Yeah. Cannot complain. Cannot complain. No. Next week we have a lot of rain. It's finished with good weather. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Hope everybody's doing good. Yeah. I'm going to do a drive, yeah. Yeah. Beautiful weather. Yeah. But you have looking a lot in my garden also. Yeah. I've done a lot. Yeah. I'm very happy. Thank you for watching. Thank you everybody. Thank you. Nice, beautiful. Hope you got a good view. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hope my camera is good. Busy with my GoPro also. Yeah. Busy with my GoPro. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah. Open my window. It's too warm already. Yeah. My window open. Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing my content again, eh? Yeah. Doing my content. Yeah, I'm doing that. I like doing my content. We can go. Always not too much traffic here. It's okay. Yeah, already people walking in shorts. Oh, it's a little bit too early, yeah? Because it's still a little bit windy, yeah? You see, I see people here in shorts. It's a little bit too early, yeah? It's very dangerous. Doing a nice drive. Thank you for watching. Thank you everybody. Don't forget the thumbs up. Appreciation that. Thumbs up. So important. Yeah. I hope you like the video. Hope you really like the video. And tomorrow, next week they're gonna give bad weather. More cold again, and raining. Not so good. We got a lot of people on the coast, it's the last day of holiday, and tomorrow the kids need to go to school again, eh? Yeah. Nice and green. I like it. That's a beautiful place. Not too many houses. Yeah. Very good. Very good. news, eh? Yeah. Watching my channel, I'm doing it good, yeah. I hope it goes better and better here. We'll see what's happening. I really like driving in my car, really, I like it. It feels I come to myself, you understand? No stress. Take my rest. Otherwise, when I'm home, I'm always busy doing that and that. Now I'm relaxing a little bit. Yeah, that's why I'm driving now. It's afternoon. It's in the afternoon now. 19 degrees. It's 19 degrees. We have 19 degrees. Oh, almost 20. Almost 20 degrees. Oh. It's almost summertime. Yeah, almost summertime. Hello. Very good. Let them doing. Let them doing. Get good view. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Nice place here. I like it. Yeah. Far away from the big city. Very good, very good. Some of the imagination will start raining tomorrow. God. 20 degrees. Oh. Doing well. Yeah. Thank you for watching. tomorrow working again. Oh, yeah, tomorrow working again. I'm still tired, Major. And yesterday I was busy in my garden yesterday, yeah. Busy in my garden, a lot. Going to the store. Going with my hair today also. Cut my hair. A little bit shorter, yeah.